Okay, you see it here. Now, between hello and world there is gap. Between world and happy also there is one space. Between happy and days also there is a space. So I'm
Okay.
saying, I'm saying I'm using this split method, and I'm saying that wherever Python is encountering that spaces, up to that it has to become one particular word. Okay, we have to
Okay.
split this big string into multiple small strings, substrings.
Okay.
We want to split this whole string into 4 substrings. So to do the splitting, what is the how it is going to do it? What I
Okay.
told you, just let me check the message. He's asking whether he should join or not.
Oh,
We wind up now. Last this after the split method, we can wind up. So when I run this program, it will look for. Now see, it has divided this whole string into 4 substrings. So how does it know where to split this particular word? So this is the character it is.
space.
So
Okay.
here
Okay.
it is looking for empty spaces. Supposing I put let us say star asterisk here. Okay. So I can say so wherever now here instead of putting an empty space, I can put this asterisk sign. Okay.
Star.
So that will be the condition for splitting my string into
String.
substrings now.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how the split function will work. Waiting room. Okay. Atulji, you have joined? Yeah. So this is the last one which we are doing for the day. After that, I'll give you few exercises which you can practice. So I was telling you about the split function here. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now what happens with the split function is, if supposing between this hello world happy days is one full string, and I want to split it into 4 different strings. So to do that splitting, uh, how does Python consider where to split it, right? To use that where condition, here what I've said is, wherever there is an asterisk, up to that you take it into a string, right? So this is how it is. Now it is up to just hello. After that there is an asterisk. So hello will become one substring. After that you have got world. After world also there is one asterisk now. So world will become one more substring. After happy there is one more. So happy will become one more substring. Like that it will split it into substrings like that. So instead of asterisk, you can do it with an empty space also. So whatever character you give in this, it will look for that character, and up to that character, it will split that string into a substring. Okay. So this is our substring method. Here I've taken one more extra space. I think that's why it is giving one more in this.
Word split. Okay.
One character, two characters here.
Got it.
Okay. So that is how we use the split method. So I think we can end it here today, because tomorrow we will look at some more method which you can apply on the string. Okay, there are lot more methods which are there. So those we can check out tomorrow.
Yeah,
So
sure.
yeah, tell me, sir.
So in the meantime, if you can just copy this and paste it in the WhatsApp,
I'll do it right now. I'll do it right.
And the video also.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Recording
I
also.
think I've said recording also. Done. I'll do that. So anything
Thanks
else?
a lot.
I hope you could all understand whatever we've done today, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank
Can
you.
you show me the last one, Padma, the one which you showed the word?
You just last one, no? This one.
Word dot split.
Split. The method which we are using is the split method. And inside the split, you have to give the character or whatever blank space that we can put here.
Okay. Okay, I got some typer. Yep, got it.
Done, no? Okay. Okay. So we'll meet again tomorrow then.
Yep.
Okay.
thank you.
Right. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night.